Hi again. For this part, we're going to look at rewriting and evaluating in two different parts. Rewriting in exponential form says get rid of the word log and write it in a different format. And please remember, a common log is anytime you don't have a base, it's understood to be 10. So in this section, when we rewrite, it's 10 to the first is 10. This 10 right here. This base is 2. 2 squared is 4. 2 squared is 4. This base is 3. 3 cubed is 27. And I just want to point out that whatever number's on the right side in log form is the exponent. Whatever number's on the right side is your exponent. Whatever number's on the right side is your exponent. That's real important when you need to do your solving problems. For the evaluating here, this is where they're like, hey, give us a number. So you're looking for just a number answer. Remember that this base is 10. I don't know what this is, but I'm asking myself, hey, 10 to what power is 100? 10 squared. I'm looking at the next part and I say, that's the base of 8. 8 to what power is 64? Oh, it's 2. If you get stuck, you could write that as 8 squared equals 8 to some number. I'm using a question mark just because there's no x in the problem. This has a bigger base than an argument, and I want you to think about that. This says 27 to what power is 3? Well, 3 is 3 to the first, and 27 is 3 cubed. So what I'm looking for in this case is a fraction, right? Cubed root of 27 is 3. This is interesting here. This says 7 to what power equals the argument 7 to the 28. Can you see by looking at it that the thing I'm looking for is the 28? So that answer is just 28. And then the last one here is not in log form, it's in exponent form. I don't know what it is. So if I had a statement that said 6 to some exponent was unknown and I wanted to rewrite it using logs, log base 6 of my unknown has to equal the exponent, log base 6 of 12. Can you see what's in that missing spot? It's a 12. So that answer is 12. And that's kind of a neat little property. If you wanted to make a pattern out of that, if you had 3 raised to the log base 3 of 7, my answer would be 7. If you had 15 to the log base 15 of 4, my answer would be 4. If the bases are the same, the answer is going to equal the argument. If the bases are the same, the answer will equal the argument.